Hello friends, so today we are going to do the perspective of a square lamina. In the previous questions we have done the perspective of point and line, so this time we will take a shape profile object. So our object is here square lamina. So let's see the questions. What are the information given about this square lamina? So according to that we will establish the profile. So a square lamina of 40 mm side lies on the ground plane. One of its corner is touching the picture plane and edge is inclined at 60° to the picture plane. The station point is 40 mm in front of the picture plane and 60 mm above the ground plane. Lies in a central plane which is at a distance of 35 mm to the right of the corner touching to the picture plane for the perspective. So here first thing we have the information square lamina 40 mm. Okay, so 40 mm all, 40 mm all, 40 mm all. So let's see, this is my picture plane. So it says that one of its corner lies on the picture plane and forms an angle of 60 degrees. So I think this is the 60 degree. So let's say this is my square lamina. Okay, so I'm having the point A, B, C and D. Got it. Now second, what it says, the station point is 40 mm in front of the picture plane, 40 mm. So from here 40 mm, okay, somewhere on this line, 60 mm above the ground plane. So this is my ground plane, GL 60 mm. Okay, so this is HL. Lies in a central plane which is at a 35 mm to the right of the corner touching to the picture plane. So from here I have to see 35 degree, sorry, 35 mm. So this is my station point. Got it. So now what I will do, first I will mark the vanishing point. I have marked this vanishing point, and you know in the previous questions how to mark the vanishing point. Just from the station point you have to draw the straight perpendicular to the HL. So wherever it is intersecting, it will give you the vanishing point. Next thing what I will do, I will mark the actual position of the square lamina on the ground line. Okay, for that purpose what I will do, I will draw the exact 90-degree lines or perpendicular lines from those points. Okay, this is A, don't forget. And this is B. Okay, so this line is A, B, sorry, this is not B, this is A, this is C, this is B, and this is D. Again I have to change the color for the understanding. So now what I have to do here, I have to first develop the profile, okay, from the vanishing point. Not exactly like that. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to connect it from the station point like this one from point D, similarly from the point C, similarly from the point A and point B. So wherever they are bisecting on the picture plane, from that intersection we will draw the 90-degree line till the ground plane. So point A will be marking on the same because it is touching the picture plane, so it remains on the ground plane. Okay, this intersection. Point B is bisecting here, this path, so I will draw okay. So B point is here, B. Now let's find out the C is bisecting here, so C will come something like this. So this bisection is C. Now D is bisecting here the picture plane, so D will come like this, so this will be D. So we now have the real profile of the square lamina. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to connect all the points. Okay, so it will form the square lamina. So this is point A, I will connect point A with point B. Okay, this is point A with point B, then point C, point D and point A. Got it? Now I'm going to hatch it for the understanding purpose. So this is the perspective view of square lamina. Got it? So I hope so it is clear to you, so you can do it by this method. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any problem, you can post the question, I will respond to it. Thank you very much.